Githagathago gutukanirwo na kiriganiciithiete na mbere guthiururukiria ikaria Karimino na aria migunda yao yahitukirio gukorwo ikihuthika waki-ini wa demu ya Karimino tu. Aria nginya riu matiganeirie mahanda magitigira guthie hathara waki ucio ngiambiriria. Kamiti ya bunge igie maria maturigiceirie giukirira kambuni ya The Water na kamiti ya migunda bururi-ini NLC kumana na kuagaya kwa waki wa demu iyo na iria gukinyagia na riu ihaneirwo ciringi bilioni 4.7 hari ciringi bilioni 24 iria itanyitwo kuhuthika thiini wa waki ucio.
Even for your own comfort, at least ukikuja hapo unafurahia kuna kitu yote inaendelea as we continue sorting out this one. And we want to give an undertaking as parliament with this committee that we are going to pursue this person.
Kurerikana andu 93 hari andu 5,000 aria mahutitio ni waki ucio nio marihetwo mbeca ciao ciothe undu uria uhotometie wambiriria wa waki ucio kona ikari metereire marihwo niguo mahote guthama mubunga wa gicigo kiu akihita waki ucio kwaga kwambiriria nginya kigena giothe kirekererio.
I am concerned if we are going to give a commencement letter when even the first phase full compensation has not been done. So, Chair, I would want engineer to give a serious undertaking to this committee and tell us when are we going to complete the first phase compensation.
Aria mahutitio na njira nene ni aikari matura ma Bushana, Gathaji, Kiriko na Kanyoni. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njĩtagwo Maina, Kĩhumo.